Well, dear students, Jessie English High School, Vijaypura, my very dearest and nearest one, 10th student, I am proud to say in which way time to time you are doing the activities and all, collecting books also. Few of my students, you have shown your great response to the school management. That's good. Others also don't sit idly. Make fit and fine your society also, your parents also. Come and meet principal in the school premise. Take his help, follow his guideline and try to help the management also. Your cooperation obviously will help you to score high percentage in your very shortcoming SSLC board examination. English. Already we have crossed unit 1, that one prose and already one poem. Today I would like to warm up you before going to start the lesson, unit 2, page 23, introduction part, prose. This Girl by the Tracks by Devan Khanna. Before going to start this very interesting prose, we should warm up ourselves with the previous activities. All the activities time to time with the notebook, carry it out as per your schedule and your parents' permission and everything. Take care of your health. Please come and meet me for your textbook learning purpose and your notebook homework activities, checking and cross-checking in the school premise. I hope full 10th presence I will get it in online teaching time also. So don't neglect your online teaching. It is more than your classroom teaching going on. Sit with your parents, make them convince, sit with your society people, sit with your neighbors, upgrade your society. It is your duty because you are tomorrow's Indian citizen. That's all. I am Mr. Shashwat Chaudhary, your English faculty, going to start now your warm-up. I would like to warm up you with your homework activities. Please pay attention. Page 21. Open your textbook. Page 21. Earlier I already sent you how to do it. Picture, image, drawing, obviously in homework notebook. And here task. So, how to do this one? Page 21. An aged woman confined to bed. You will draw pencil sketch, simple. And one aged woman who is confined to bed, taking rest. Every bridge, second one. Every bridge means every bridge which poured of summer and dancing lips. So you make one room, sketch one bed, windows, beside just outside the windows, big trees. So good air coming on here. It is your Karnataka state, lovely beauty, greeneries, Bangalore. So I think my students are enough expert to make the pencil sketches of big trees, green trees and all. Please do it. And take the great A plus from me. Being happier in a tree than in a lift. Very happy. Other than lift, that one tree. So you can draw one tree spreading or high according to your wish. And by seeing one tree also you can draw in this way. Which one tree you love it. Then you can make your ideas. You can give the portrait as you wish. Full liberty given to you for your homework activities. I will grow disgracefully. This one obviously you know about the grandma. So you can put one sketch of grandma or you can paste any grandma, even your grandma's picture also, photo also, and then you can draw something and you can show it to me. I will think that my students understood it well. Grandma climbs a tree by Ruskin Bond. Page 22. Open textbook, page 22. See, in the board already I have given the note. Homework notebook. You will do everything. Page 22. Reading task. Here 2 reading tasks you are getting. Number 1, you see, obviously, this one here. Who Me by Joyce Armour. There is a kid who lives with us who no one's ever seen. He's the guy who broke our vase and painted fluffy green. You have to read English like me because you are my students. Try through different wave corner, putting earphone, continuously listen good English from the phonetic sites. and make your pronunciation like that. You should be very, very fluent in English communication. I want it and you have to fulfill my dream. That's all. Know about the poet? That one also you will read. Read aloud at home. We have also done in our childhood. Read aloud. Then it will be perfect pronunciation in English. Even other subjects also. Unit 2 prose. Come to the point. Tell the student your textbook. Please meet your principal in the school premise. Follow his guideline. Tell your parents also to follow the educationist guideline. That is more important. So, Unit 2 prose. Page 23. Introduction part. Study the picture. Some people are looking at the accident with an expression of shock, anxiety. When any accident, anything happens, what happened? People are running, people are exclaiming, people are shouting, howling. But what to do at first? 2 columns given. I have already given my portrait, but I want yours all individual portrait plus 10th group. Get ready with your expression, and you will write in your textbook with a pencil your expression, or you can write with blue and black color pen in your notebook your expression, your good ideas. I want it. I portray in this way that by seeing any accident, what you do? Very shortly, I will make 100 dial, and then because they are supportive and they help regarding any emergency cases all over India. That one I know. So this is the first thing. I found out to stop, and in between if any stop, I have to stop the car. Those who are riding, so that any car driver or any type of that type of four-wheeler vehicle and all, if you read the story, you will understand. To save the life of that particular person, that time, spot accident went over. Now your reactions you can share with your friends different way. It's your Shashwati ma'am's reaction. I feel that we are human beings, so our soul should be tattooed. Our soul, we should be God in front of all in this society, in this country, or anywhere else, wherever we will do the work, wherever we will stay. And we should be active to show humanity to any animals also and any human beings. Wherever we are, that's not a big question. What work we are doing, that's a big question. So my dear 10th class students, you will read the topic, you will see title given in this way. There's a girl by the tracks, double inverted comma, start and double inverted comma, ends. How will you read it? You are my students in English. Quote, unquote, Q-U-O-T-E, U-N-Q-U-O-T-E, quote, unquote. You see, exclamation, note of exclamation, this one, punctuation marks to show the expression. Oh my goodness. You just imagine before going to start the lesson what Devan Kanal, he wanted to express throughout this prose. There's a girl by the tracks, railway tracks, and you know, busy Mumbai Suburban Railway. Story will start from that point. Nobody dared to go where the youngster did, where this youngster did. Suddenly, going to overcrowded train, the girl, she was a tail passenger, and she just in this way. It happens in Calcutta also, it happens in Mumbai, it happens in Delhi, everywhere. Going to overcrowded office time. So, busy schedule. So, we will start the story, and I hope so you will love it very much. So, dear students, today this much, very shortly, I will come back with the story concept. There's a girl by the tracks by Devan Kanal. In between, complete your homework activities and all, my dear very good students. I love to announce your good percentage of marks after next year, May and June. So, help me, get help from the institution, help the society after all. Be proper, educated. It's my dream, you have to fulfill your dream. Thank you very much. God bless you.